You put your butt. You put your butt. Put your butt. Gotta poke your butt. Hi guys, my name is Kay. My name is Rohan. Today we're gonna make slime. Pour some glue.
Right. Very good. Sige.
Okay. Some
Clean it.
This?
Yeah, you clean the glue.
No! It's okay. Oh yeah! This is so I'm like having it really serious. And you put the color.
Okay, what color do you like?
Oh my god, it's okay. Mom, at me. I pick the purple. Okay. And you get one more dot. Yes.
Right.
And then mix it. Then mix so like this. What? And you put water. Where's water? Run! Okay, run. Put all.
Oh,
Then the absorber.
absorb it.
Run! Don't touch it. This?
Yes,
How many? All of it?
all of it.
Go.
Okay.
Now mix. And this is still not. What? What are you doing? Then look at my leg. It's like sticky.
Okay.
You must wash our hands so we can touch it. Mine looks like I'm checking out this slime. It's okay.
I think it's palpa.
I think it's malpak again.
Guys, we're gonna still wash our hands because it's really dirty. Okay, let's go now. Okay.
Where are you going?
Wait.
A few moments later.
Okay, Mom. I want to make another one. Me too. Now we're gonna make our next one. Yeah.
Another color?
Yes. Okay, my container. Where's my container? These are my container. Where's my container? Yeah! Yeah! Thank you.
Alright.
But I'm gonna mix the I'm gonna have the red.
One.
Okay, I'm done. All?
Okay. One. Tapos mix it.
What? It's turning pink. No, it's actually Mommy done.
Yeah, all
Marami?
of it. Yeah, all of it. Ate kayo mix it well pa.
Done.
Sige, baby. Mix it properly.
Wow.
Yan. Very good.
Circle at the Ganyan.
Wow.
So, until... Run you ano them like... Thank you for watching! Please subscribe and like in Facebook. What? I thought it was